Rob Strauss. So let me ask you, what's the difference between Juniata and Amherst? According to US News and World Report, Amherst is ranked as the #2 liberal arts school in the nation, and Juniata is ranked 100th. Amherst accepts 13% of their applicants, and we accept 71%. And Amherst has an endowment $1.5 billion greater than ours here at Juniata. On paper, it's no contest, but anyone that spends time at places like Juniata knows better than that. Lauren Pope knew better. In his book, 40 Colleges That Changed Lives, Pope argued, Amherst has more very bright and more sophisticated freshmen than Juniata, but he said, by the time they're seniors, the situation has been reversed. The Juniata seniors' talents have been doubled and sharpened, and they've been better equipped to cope, to adapt, and to take risks, things they will have to do in this new world. Dr. Troha, although it isn't often recognized by outsiders, something extraordinary happens here at Juniata in those 4 years, and it all starts with leadership. As the student representative on the Presidential Search Committee, you motivated me to want to work for you. As collegiate athletes, you playing baseball and me playing volleyball, we connected over our deep love for sports. I learned how competitive you are and how you strive for perfection, qualities we need you to bring to Juniata College. In the competitive field of higher education, Juniata is perceived by the world to be an underdog in comparison to better-known schools with larger endowments like Amherst. We may be small, but we pack a punch. Our science program is top-notch and has helped to develop some of the best doctors and chemists, even a Nobel Prize winner. The diversity on campus has increased dramatically since I've been here, and our athletic teams have won conference titles, regional titles, and national championships. As our new coach, we need you to lead with your innovative vision, ability to motivate, and desire to win. Dr. Troha, you can help us gain the recognition we deserve. Here at Juniata, we are a community. The people that work here are not here for the money. They are here because they want to be a part of the best place on earth. But what's the next step? That's your job. Your ability to bring an innovative vision is what made you so appealing to the Juniata community during the interview process. Times are changing in higher education, and you are not afraid to experiment. As a small liberal arts college, we're facing a challenge because some of our biggest competitors are schools outside of the liberal arts. We're up against massive open online courses, or MOOCs, that have popped up at schools such as Stanford and MIT, and have over 100,000 students in a class. The University of Phoenix has over 325,000 students. Juniata has 1,600. As the underdog, we count on you to see opportunities that other people don't. We're asking you to be creative and not rule anything out. And once we do decide on something, your leadership will be vital to make it happen. We will need to engage the community to build our vision into action. Once we have come together around a vision, you must provide us with the resources and motivation needed to implement that vision. Currently, we are not investing enough resources into the recruiting process, which we must do to be competitive. It is our recruiters who create the first relationships with students that MOOCs and other online institutions will never be able to offer. But the thing is, our enrollment center is understaffed. Our Dean of Enrollment, Michelle Bartle, feels the same way. She said, "We have become more national. We cracked the top 100 and are a national liberal arts school in many ways. The thing is, we are staffed as a regional institution." In the past 2 years, Juniata has addressed the problem, but barely. We have added 1.5 workers to the enrollment office since 2011, but still have fewer workers than our peer institutions in our region. In total, we have 20.5 workers. Gettysburg has 28. Dickinson, 37. And then there's us, with 20.5. The only thing that keeps us alive is our motivation and work ethic. The morning I talked to Michelle Bartle, she was up at 4 a.m. looking at applications. She exemplifies the qualities of hard work and determination that we have and need more of. Our enrollment center will always be motivated to recruit the best students. They just need your help. When prospective students visit colleges, they often compare the size of each college's endowment. So one way to help our enrollment staff is to increase our endowment. So far, I've addressed how we need you to bring your innovative vision and ability to motivate. So coach, it's the bottom of the ninth inning, and we need your desire to win. If we are going to be nationally ranked in the polls, we must have an endowment that supports our ranking. Your leadership and desire to win must energize the Juniata team towards raising our endowment. The success of our endowment is directly correlated with the success of sharing Juniata's story with the world. Dr. Troja, we need you to tell our story. You proved yourself to be a superior fundraiser at Heidelberg by securing over $37 million in 2 years. Here at Juniata, more resources will lead to more wins for the underdog. So let's rack up some wins. And to win, we need you to bring your competitive spirit and desire to win on a daily basis. We will bring ours too. And once we have a plan, we'll be motivated to execute the heck out of the plan. The extraordinary outcomes we have now are with an $83 million endowment, not the $1.6 billion that Amherst has. Imagine what we could do with 1/10 of that. When asked where our grads went to school, they should never have to lead with, well, you probably never heard of it, or it's a small school in central Pennsylvania near Penn State. How it should be and how it will be is, I went to Juniata College, and the person on the other end immediately thinks, wow, very impressive. Going forward, our community must be filled with a competitive spirit that is so contagious. It would be tough not to commit to our vision every day, not to be motivated to give all we have. As a small liberal arts college, we are the underdog that is never expected to win, but always seem to come out on top when it really matters. As our new coach, we need you to lead with your innovative vision, ability to motivate, and desire to win. Your competitive spirit will give us a huge advantage over our competitors. Naturally, our competitors will take some players away from our team. What they can't do is match our work ethic. They can't match the community here at Juniata College. And in 25 years, who knows? Amherst could be the underdog. Juniata has helped me develop into who I am today, and I'm sure many alumni would say the same. The reason? Leadership. From Dr. Keppel to my professors, coaches, and friends, they have all touched my life, have changed it. And as our coach, we believe in your vision and your ability to lead us to victory. By adding staff to our enrollment center and increasing our endowment, the recognition will come. Keep us motivated and always hungry to improve. We are Juniata College. We may be the underdog, but we are ready to work.